Oh, hey, babe, how was your day?
Great. How was your day? Oh, what are you doing?
I'm writing a jingle for Patriot Dry Vent Cleaning.
Okay, and why are you doing that?
Well, I mean, everybody's got like a slogan or a jingle. You got the lawyer guy with the fours, and I guess the other lawyer guy with the hammer thing, and I mean, everybody's got like a jingle, and you know, we need a jingle for Patriot Dry Vent Cleaning, so I'm gonna crank one out real quick here. Ready? You want to hear it?
James, you don't have to do that. Just tell people what we do.
You think so?
Yes.
So you mean like if the dryer's taking multiple cycles to dry, they should probably give us a call and have it cleaned out? What about if there's a lot of dust or the laundry room is really humid and hot?
Exactly.
Or like if they haven't had it cleaned in over a year, they should probably give us a call?
Yes.
Oh, and also about the fire hazard dangers if you don't have it cleaned annually?
Yes.
Hey, so no guitar, no singing, no jingle, nothing like. Hey, hello. Thanks for that.